Good morning, everyone. I am Idika Dikshit of Venkateshwar International School, and today I am going to demonstrate an activity of slow motion water vortex. So, this activity will help us to uncover the different fascinating principles of physics associated with it. Before getting started, let us first know the different kinds of materials required in order to perform it. There's an optional requirement of a vessel and food coloring. This will help us to enhance the water vortex by giving it a visibility to the viewer. This is required in order to avoid the spilling of water around. There's a requirement for a plastic water bottle along with some water inside it. You would also have to create a hole in the bottle cap. This will allow the water to move out from the bottle. To perform this activity, you would have to turn the bottle upside down and then spin it in a circular motion and then wait for the vortex formation. As you could see, there was a formation of the vortex in the middle. So let us understand the different fascinating principles of physics which are associated with it. Vortex motion. As the water drains from the bottle, it forms a swirling pattern, illustrating fluid dynamics. The water moves in a circular motion due to the shape of the bottle and the forces that come into play. Bernoulli's principle. As the water exits the small hole at the bottom, it accelerates. According to the Bernoulli's principle, this increase in speed causes a decrease in pressure at the center of the vortex. Angular momentum conservation. As the water spirals downward, it speeds up. This happens because angular momentum is conserved. The water maintains its rotational motion, speeding up as it exits the bottle. Centripetal force. The water is pulled towards the center of the vortex because of the centripetal force, which keeps it moving in a circular path, preventing it from flying outwards. Energy conservation. As the water drains, gravitational potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. This conversion drives the vortex motion, showing how energy is transferred and conserved in a system. Let us now look at the different applications of this activity in the real-world phenomenon. Application in hydroelectric power. The water vortex demonstrates how fluid motion and energy conservation are used in hydroelectric power plants. The swirling motion drives turbines, transforming water's gravitational potential energy into electricity. This simple phenomenon powers sustainable energy worldwide. Application in renewable energy. This water vortex mirrors how hydroelectric plants generate electricity. Flowing water creates a similar swirling motion, spinning turbines to convert gravitational potential energy into electricity. This eco-friendly process demonstrates how physics principles are applied to sustainable energy solutions. In conclusion, this experiment provides us with a clear visual representation of how these physical principles come together in the real-world phenomena and renewable energy application. Thank you all for your attention.